In this video, we're going to look at redox reactions. We're going to define what redox reactions are and how they occur. Okay, so redox reactions are reactions that involves both oxidation and reduction. Are reactions that involves both oxidation and reduction. But in this video, we're going to look at redox reactions in terms of oxidation. Okay, so oxidation reactions involves four things. Oxidation reactions involves four things, which are gain of oxygen, loss of hydrogen, loss of electrons, and gain of oxidation number. So oxidation takes place in four ways. That is the gain of oxygen, loss of hydrogen, loss of electrons, and gain of oxidation number. That's how oxidation reactions occurs. So let's look at how oxidation occurs in terms of gain of hydrogen. Oxidation in terms of oxygen, that is the addition of oxygen to a chemical substance. The addition of oxygen to a chemical substance is oxidation in terms of oxygen. For example, magnesium here reacts with the oxygen to form magnesium oxide. In this case, we can say magnesium here has been oxidized to magnesium oxide since oxygen has been added, as we have seen in the reaction. Here it was alone, but at this side it is with oxygen. So oxygen here has been added to magnesium oxide to magnesium to form magnesium oxide. So the addition of oxygen to a chemical substance is oxidation in terms of oxygen. Okay, so let's also look at oxidation in terms of hydrogen. Oxidation in terms of hydrogen. So oxidation in terms of hydrogen is the removal of hydrogen from a chemical substance. The removal of hydrogen from the chemical substance. In the first place, we said oxidation is, in terms of oxygen is the addition of oxygen. But here we are saying the removal of hydrogen. For example, ammonia here, which is NH3, decomposes to nitrogen and hydrogen atoms. So we can say, since nitrogen here has lost the atom for hydrogen, we can say ammonia has been oxidized to nitrogen since the hydrogen has been removed from it. Okay, and we can also define oxidation in terms of electrons. So in terms of electrons, oxidation is the loss of electrons from a chemical substance. The loss of electrons from a chemical substance. For instance, copper has lost 2 electrons in that equation to form copper 2 ion. This is a charged particle. We call it an ion. So copper 2 atoms have been oxidized to copper 2 ions since 2 electrons have been lost. So oxidation in terms of electrons is the loss of electrons. Okay, so we can also define oxidation in terms of oxidation number. We can also define oxidation in terms of oxidation number, which is the gain of oxidation number. The gain of oxidation number.